Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to level 19D, Iẓhār. It's always a good idea to have a quick look at your rule card and revise all the rules you've done until now and take a look at where this rule fits into the other rules you have done. So it's the fourth rule in the pink level, which has 5 rules. And also, don't forget the roundabout example I gave you if it made sense to you, and that is every time you see a nun sakina or a tanween, it's like you've come to a roundabout. You must check all the exits and work out which one is right for you. If it's a ba coming after it, it's the first exit qalb. If not, then is it a lam or a ra? Then it will be idgham without ghunna. If not, is it a ya, nun, mim or waw from yanmu? Then it will be number 3, idgham with ghunna. If not, is it from the following letters Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha from if so, then it will be the fourth exit, Iẓhār. So let's go into this rule, which is actually quite a simple rule. Iẓhār means to read the nun sakina or tanween clearly without ghunna. So it's to read the nun sakina or tanween normally without any extra changes. So kufuwan, how you would read it normally before you learnt any of these rules, that is called Iẓhār. So when do you read it like that? When nun sakina and tanween have one of these letters before after it. So let's read. The rule is, if nun sakina or tanween appear before any of the 6 throat letters, Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. These are the 6 letters that are pronounced from the throat. So we read it from the right hand side, Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. There will be Iẓhār without ghunna. So there will be Iẓhār without ghunna. Examples, like here, you have tanween before Hamza, from Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Iẓhār no ghunna means you will read it completely plainly and normally. Kufuwan ahad. Right, so as you can see, the spot the rule phrase is here at the bottom. You can listen to me spotting a few rules and reading a few examples, and then we will work on some examples together, inshallah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nun sakina before ha from Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Iẓhār, no ghunna. Ra sakina after fatha, full mouth. Fala tanhar. Okay, so remember, keep this rule card next to you and it will help you if you forget one of the wordings for the rules, or have a look at it before you start reading just to refresh your memory and make sure you know all of the wordings. Let's take another one. Number 8. Nun mushaddada ghunna, tanween before ain from Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Iẓhār no ghunna. Fi jannatin aliyah. This one, nun sakina before Hamza from Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Iẓhār no ghunna. Lam of Allah after kasra, empty mouth. Man amana billah. Okay, right, now let's practice some together. So let's go and take number 26. So please go ahead and try to find all of the rules. So I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rules at least in there. Did you find all of them? Okay, repeat after me, and remember, repeat the whole spot the rule phrase after me. Don't miss a single word of it out. I know you've read or you've said this so many times, but the more times you say it, the longer you will remember it, hopefully for the rest of your life. Nun mushaddada ghunna. Lam of Allah after fatha, full mouth. Tanween before ghain from Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Iẓhār no ghunna. Ghain from khussa, daghatin, qidh, full mouth. Ra sakina after dhamma, full mouth. Okay, read after me. Inna Allaha azizun ghafoor. Okay, well done. Let's do number 29. Please go ahead and see how many rules you can spot. So I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 rules at least in there. Can you? Okay, repeat after me. Ra with dhamma full mouth. Tanween before meme from yanmu, idgham with gunna. Nun sakina before hamza from hamza ha, ayn ha, ghayn kha, Iẓhār no gunna. And finally ba from qutb jad qalqala. Please read after me. وَدَّ كَثِيرٌ مِّنْ أَهْلِ الْكِتَابِ. Well done. As usual, if you go on to the next page, you will have even more examples, slightly longer ones, and finally on the last page, you will have even longer examples. Let's try to take at least one example from this page. Okay, let's go for number 9. See how many examples you can spot in that one. Okay, so I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at least. Okay, repeat after me. Lam of Allah after fatha, full mouth. Mim mushaddada gunna. Ghayn from khussa daghatin qidh, full mouth. Ra with fatha, full mouth. Tanween before meme from yanmu, idgham with gunna. Nun sakina before ha from hamza ha, ayn ha, ghayn kha, Iẓhār no gunna. And finally dad from khussa daghatin qidh, full mouth. Okay, read after me. وَاللَّهُ يَعِدُكُم مَغْفِرَةً مِّنْهُ وَفَضْلًا. Well done. Inshallah, I will see you in the next level.